Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to start with Python console window. Let me first tell you uh, what are the options available in our Python editor window. Just see here, I'm using Python Spider Python version 3.7. So we have all the options just like our MATLAB command here. Then here we have the editor window where we used to type all the programs, and by default all the programs will be saved using .py extension. And here we have the console window where we can see the outputs, and on the right hand side we have a window for variable explorer, and if we have any plots or graphs which we can view here. And at the bottom we have history or help option. So these are the general setup what we have in our Python. So now in this video let us discuss the options or the basic things what we can do with our console window. So first let me start a basic arithmetic operation like addition. So let me start 2 plus 6 and I'm giving enter. So you can see the output which is 8. So whatever I have given input which was specified using in, and I have a output 8. Similarly I can go for 9 minus 2. So we can see the output as 7. So like this all the basic arithmetic operations we can do in our console window itself. Here I didn't use any, I didn't specify any data type for these numbers which I have used in this arithmetic operation. Next we can go for print command also. So in Python we will be using print command like print. Within this print I'm giving some value like 3 plus 2. If I give enter, the addition of this numbers will be printed in the screen. Next I can go for printing some strings also. So anyway separately we have a video for string, but let me give print of some strings. So here Python, which is similar like our C programming, whatever string we need to print in our output screen need to be given within double quotes or single quotes. For this again we have separate option. So let me give you hi. So which is printed in our output screen. Next we have another option in our console window like for example if I want to know what are all the commands or things which starts with letter P. So I'm giving P, and if I press tab command we can see all the options or all the possible things which we can import, or anything which starts with letter P can be viewed here. So for this I have to type that letter, press the tab button, then we can see all these things, right? This is one option which is available in Python. So for example if I give pr tab, so I can see these are the things which starts with pr. So I need print, I can go for that. Then within single quotes let me give you welcome message. So we can see the message is printed in our output screen. Next let us go for the documentation or just like a help command. So I have okay, let me check what is this round option available in Python. So round question mark, give enter. So it will give us the description about this round operation. So round, and the syntax is this: round of number comma n digits. So let me give one example. Round of, so for example if I have 5.643, Okay, so if I give enter, this value will be rounded to its whole number. Okay, and if I have round off 3.425 comma, if I give 1, so after this whole number in our precision, the first digit in the precision will be printed over here. So let me go for two precisions. So for that, no need to type it again. Here we have a shortcut like up arrow, similar like our MATLAB. If we use up arrow, the previous command will appear here. So let me change it to two precisions. Enter. So we can see 3.42. So this is another thing which is related to the round function, and whatever operation we need, just we can give and we can get the explanation for that. So maybe we can go for floor and seal command once. So before that, I have to go for percentage pylab. Since I'm using the spider console window, I have to use it to get all the operation. For example, floor question mark. Here I can see the explanation for the floor. So all the explanation, description, what is the syntax, with example we can get it. So let me give you one example for this floor. So a equals to, let me take some set of values, 12.34 comma 3.67 comma 4.59. so these are the numbers I have, and let me take the floor of a. So we can see the values of this array. So I have taken the floor. Floor will give the starting value, right? Like 12.34. So it will give the floor value. The floor value of 12.34 is 12. So 3.67 the value will be 3. 4.59 the value will be 4. Similarly, let me go for seal value. So I'm taking the same values and I'm using seal option, seal of A. So the seal will give the next rounded digit, right? So 12.34, the output will be 13, 3.67 it is 4, 4.59 will be 5, right? So similar to this, we can go for any type of documentation which we can verify by in our console window, so that we can get its description and what are the possibilities and what is the definition for that, everything can be viewed here.